Action Builders is a design build general contractor specializing in additions and large home remodels in the Pittsburgh area. The following video is of an addition that includes a sunroom, a porch overlooking the yard, as well as an expanded basement. All of this was added to the back of a beautiful Mount Lebanon home. With access through the kitchen, this sunroom is surrounded by windows with a beautiful hardwood floor. Below the sunroom sits the added basement, which is in mid-construction. If you have interest in working with Action Builders, please visit our website at pittsburghadditions.com.